Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. I hope that you're having a way better day than me, because right now I'm having a bad hair day. I have a headache, I have a stomach ache. I didn't get much sleep last night, so I'm fatigued and sleepy. And then another thing that happened is the GoPro mount that I used to do the time lapse for the directions of how to get to the properties that we visit broke recently, so I won't be able to do a time lapse of how to get to the property for this video. I am working on getting back another one as quickly as possible, so you can look out for me getting another one and us restarting that trend. But for now and for these maybe next 2 or 3 videos that I'm going to showcase, there won't be any time lapse to where we're going. All right. But I want to give a special thanks to all of my Mementos family members, 2,000 plus and growing, road to 3K, let's go. And also I want to thank each and every one of you who decided to watch this video today. You didn't have to, and you made a conscious decision too, so bless up yourself. But let's jump into today's comment of the week, which comes from Kimmy K89, and it reads, "Lovely video, appreciate the work that went into it, keep it up." It's a short, sweet, and to the point comment, very positive. I love the positivity in my comment section, so thank you, Kimmy K89. And she left a comment on my $79 million video that I'm going to link in the cards right here, that you can check out after this video. All right, but welcome to another Real Estate Moments by Boothe video, where my aim here is to allow you to experience the different properties that I get the privilege of getting access to. My name is Akeem Boothe, Moments by Boothe on Instagram, so you can head on over there and follow me up to see bits and pieces of my everyday life, behind the scenes content, and just everything that I do to make these videos possible for you. But enough of the chattings, I know I'm ready for the video. When you're ready, run me intro. Alright, so today's video is courtesy of Miss Doreen Morris from Century 21 Heave Ho Properties. And by now, you guys must know Doreen. She's been in countless of my YouTube videos. You can find her on Instagram at I am your realtor JM, or you can call her regarding this property or any other property that I have posted recently on my YouTube channel that she's the realtor for. You can call her at this number that I'm going to put right here. So today she has us heading out to Kingston to look at a rental property. She didn't give me any information, so I don't know where I'm going exactly. I'm just meeting her at her house, and then we're going to take it from there. All right, so based on the fact that my mount broke, I can flip the camera around and give you guys a time lapse of how to get there, but I'll definitely come back to you guys when I'm at the property. All right, so Akeem out.
everybody, how are you? It's your realtor Doreen Morris from Century 21 Eve O Properties. And guys, before I even tell you about my property, you know what Akeem called me today? A dancehall queen. Can you imagine? From a realtor to a dancehall queen. Anyway, let's get kicking. So it's my new listing at 2 Hillman Road, and it's apartment 28. It's furnished, 1-bedroom apartment, patio, air condition, and Akeem will tell you a whole lot more about it. All right, remember to follow me on Instagram at I am your realtor JM. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Doreen Morris Realtor JM, and call me at 876-997-6570. Bye for now.
All right, so I'm here at the Hillman on 2 Hillman Road in Kingston, Kingston 8, and we're about to look at a 1-bedroom apartment that is for rent, and it's going for an asking price of just $100,000. So let's go on inside. So this is what it looks like from the front. So there are actually, hope this breeze isn't blowing heavily into my camera. I really hope, but there's a nice breeze flowing through this space right now. So this is actually the front of the property, and I don't have a key to get inside, so I'm going to have to call upstairs to get on the inside. Yes, Doreen? Yeah man, I'm ready to come inside now. Okay, thank you. Hold this way. Alright. Oh, hey! My God. So, a good Samaritan just let me in, but she left her keys in the door when she let me in. So, I'm going to have to wait until she gets out the elevator, and I'm going to jump into the elevator. Oh shoot, but I don't know what floor she's on. I'm actually going on the first floor, so I won't even take the elevator anymore. I'm just going to jog up and see if I can find her. But yes, so there is an elevator on this property. I watch her make a catch the ring, you know. She not expect a camera and oh, she just.
And I'm here, the dancehall queen. Hi Akeem.
Hi Doreen.
How is it going?
Come here, take this and tell them about your latest listing. A young lady just let me in, but she left her key in the door.
So
I'm
you have
going
the
to try
key?
to find. Yeah, I have a key on the seat. No, no, I don't know.
Our old ski? Your ball. Go on and come.
All right, so we're upstairs now, and we're about to check out the apartment. And as you guys know from before, it is fully furnished and move-in ready. So let's jump on inside. So the first thing you realize with this property is that it is an open concept. When you step on the inside, we have the living room that is to our immediate right. We have a nice couch that's here for your convenience. There's a television. There's this table for you to put your phone or whatsoever. You have this dining table in the corner here, and another couch to entertain your guests. Speaking of entertaining your guests, there is a bar counter right here, so you can serve up drinks while your friends are sitting on the bar stools. And if we look back over here, we see that there are 3 different window slots per se that are right here that lets in a lot of natural lighting into this property. And this place is also wired for our lovely friends from the European side of the world. So stepping into the kitchen, you have a window right here. Of course, that's nice. And we have this electric touch control cooktop. All right, there we go. You can power it on. It's the power on button. There we go. And then we can fire it up. All right, so obviously I don't know how to use it. Oh, there we go. So we're firing it up. So that would get it hot. Matter of fact, let's fire it up so you guys can see it getting hot. So you see it getting red. So that's that one. And I have it all the way at 9. So let's carry it back down to 0 before we burn somebody and turn it off. Now, separate and apart from that touch control cooktop that is electric, we have this stove down here for your baking convenience. There are cupboards right here for you to put your kitchen utensils. Cupboard up here. There's a microwave, kettle, toaster, refrigerator. So you have all your basic necessities covered. My microphone is giving problems. All right, good. So you have all your basic necessities covered in this kitchen. And this is a lovely accent wall that really gives a unique touch to this space. And then you have a mirror that's here. You guys don't know me already. If you know this shirt, you're definitely a day one subscriber from when I initially started off YouTube back in April of this year, and I was doing fitness content. Now, just like the accent wall, this bedroom matches that aesthetic. Accent wall, bedroom kind of gives you a similar feel. I don't know if it's the plaid type stripe pattern or what, but it gives me a similar feel. So there is, of course, a nice window right there letting in some natural light. We have the bed in this bedroom here, and this is a pretty decent bedroom, pretty sizable bedroom for a 1-bedroom space. There goes all of that. And again, everything you see inside this space is being rented with the space. Another mirror again up top. So we have additional spacing or shelving that's overhead. It comes with a chair right there. You even get an iron and an iron board in your closet that comes with this space. Another mirror again. Voila! Wow, this place full of mirrors, so I would have a field day in here looking at myself. Kidding. But then we come into this really nice bathroom. Somebody, I don't remember who, but someone commented on one of my other YouTube videos and said an area like this is good for the ladies when they're shaving their legs. So this comes with a particular area like this. I thought it was just for persons with disabilities when they're showering, but I was told that it's good for when you're shaving your legs. And of course you have the shower cubby. You have the shower on this side. Sliding door. Boom. You have the single vanity. Water flow. Mirror right there. Should have turned the lights on in here. All right, there we go. And of course the lights on over there. So I'll turn it off now. And what's customary, a toilet. Because you don't know, we as human beings, we gotta do our number twos. And number ones, of course. Towel rack. And that is pretty much it for this room. All right. And you have a nice little chair right there you can sit down. So let's head outside to your balcony space. There's somebody cutting a yard somewhere close. I hope that noise isn't too disturbing for you, but you can look off to your left and you can see all the parking spaces that are here. And with this property, there's no designated parking spot. It's first come, first serve. So you park anywhere that you feel comfortable parking inside this space. All right. So this is your balcony area. So I can see the hills of Kingston from here. So you can come out and still get a relaxing feel from looking out. You can watch the car driving by on the street that's adjacent to the street that runs along this road for this property. All right. So let's head on back inside because outside is a bit noisy. Close that door. And you know what is customary in most houses. I don't need to say anything more. So you get a fan and you also get air conditioning in this space as well. So that has been it for this 1-bedroom apartment at the Hillman, and we're about to head. I don't know where the pool is located exactly, so I don't know if we're going upstairs or downstairs, but we're going to check out the pool and then close the video out from there. All right, Hakeem out. All right, so being that the young lady had let me in and she had left her keys and I was trying to find her, we didn't get to access the elevator. So like how we're going to go down now and check out the pool area and the wash area, we're going to take the elevator to get down. All right, so boom, get down inside. Number one, and we're outside. I won't give him problems again. Alright, good now. I tried reversing the microphone, so just a little bit of it shows, and it keeps giving problems. So this is like kind of the lobby area. So the young lady had left her key in this door, and this is the step we went up to try and get back to her. You have a notice board here, suggestion box, and of course the elevator. So let's head on outside and check out the pool area. And of course, you know what's customary these days. Bob. Fully outside. And we're now going in. So the pool area is down here. All right, so the pool was actually downstairs and we're heading there right now. So let me flip the camera around so you guys can see. Boom. So this is the pool. It's a sizable pool, that much I can tell you. Has a nice turquoise hue. And just feels like a very relaxing space to be. Today is currently a Sunday and I would very much love to relax by this pool. Probably get like a nice little lounge chair, put it in the shade right here, and then dive off. And this pool looks like it's at least, I want to say 8 feet, at least 8 feet. On this deeper end right here. Then we have the pool house right here, or just, I guess you'd call it like the pool gazebo or something. You just relax out of the sun. It's a chill vibe. You know, you can entertain your guests right here. And the person is having fun down by the pool. And if you realize one thing with this space as well, the landscaping is on point. The place is nicely manicured in terms of the landscaping, and I love this palm tree that's right there. All right, so what I didn't know about was that there is an actual laundry area that's situated on this property, and as you can see, you have traditional washing lines to hang your clothing out, but this apartment complex actually uses a token system. You see that right there. So you have traditional wash tubs on this side, and then you have washing machines on this side and dryers as well. But you know, sometimes you have delicate clothing that you don't want to put in a dryer, so you would use the lines on the outside. So yeah, let me cut back to my outro now. But this has been it for another property by Hakeem Boothe. Thanks for watching my Real Estate Moments by Boothe videos. I appreciate each and every time you decide to click on one of my videos and you actually enjoy the content. Don't forget that you can always leave your comments down in the comment section regarding videos you want to see, making video requests, making video suggestions. We're building a family atmosphere on this channel, and we're not afraid to speak our minds and to say what we think or what we want to happen with this channel. So I'm always ready for your feedback, your critique, your comments. Leave them all down in the comments section below. And if it's another thing, don't forget that if you like this video, you like this property, hit that like button down below. And what you should never forget is to join the Mementos family. And all you have to do to join the Mementos family is to hit the subscribe button down below and become a part of the family. But that has been it from me for today. AB signing out.